Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've been doing a couple videos about the transformation Docker and especially the positioning of it. So let me just close this to show you, make sure you know where to get there. Go to Windows, Transform, or Dockers, then there Transform. Earlier versions, it might say Transformation. It opens up this Docker. And if you have your ruler set on 0, 0 right here, you can very easily, and if you have your snap to page on, you can grab that very top corner and it'll snap to that corner of the page. But another way to do that is in the transformation Docker. If we will click on this and go 0, 0 and hit apply, and and you need to uncheck the relative position because it actually put it on itself. It went 0, 0. But we're going to take away the relative positioning, and now it's going to go to the top left page because you told it to go there. That's just really pretty neat, and you just like we did in the other videos, if we click on 0 and click on our size, let's take away relative positioning, and now, like in the other videos, if we want to move that 9.134 block up to that side one time, we just hit apply. Now, I don't have any copy, so it's just moving it. If I want to make one copy, it's going to move it over and be touching. Just earlier today, I made a video about you can add an inch to there. But if you want it to that corner, just put 0, 0, take away the relative positioning first, I guess, and hit 0, 0, and hit apply. It'll go, and we made a copy, so the other one is still there. So it's pretty handy if you want to move stuff to the left-hand corner of your laser bed. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.